Alright, now that we got the engine running, we're going to do a few other little things real quick, and then we're going to stick it in the water. So stick around for some of the first water testing with the engine. There's one more thing that I was going to upgrade to, because this, when I bought it, it got a little plastic piece, and luckily I had a spare one. But it is kind of flimsy and all that, so I'm going to put this on another ski that I'm not going to be riding as hard as this. And I went and ordered one of these, the Thrust Innovation ones. So it lot harder set up here. It's not going to break as easy, so it'll be a lot better. So let's get this thing installed. Okay, that's all the pieces installed. Pretty simple. Stick a screwdriver in there and pry, and it'll pop out like that. And then this one, you pull the little clip and watch the spring in the washer so it don't fly off. Works. Alrighty, I don't know how goofy I look. I looked at myself, but I'm fully wetsuit up, so I gotta get my gloves on, but look at what we're about to do. Hell yeah. Gonna get this old girl in the water. This is the second time that I've actually had it out here, so can't really brag and say it's the first, because it's definitely not. But this is gonna be the first time I'm having some time to really check some stuff and all that, because it was so cold last time. All right. We've tweaked on the carb some more. Let's see if it's running better, because it is not running as good as it did the other day. Oh, you're cranking. Geez. I don't know what the deal is. It sounds like crap when I first crank it. I don't know why, but this thing, I got it together and rode it about 3 weeks ago. Weather almost the exact same, and it ran amazing. And then I come out today, converted to crank, I had to tweak on it more. I don't understand how it could run so damn good that day. Me not touch anything. Now it runs like doo-doo again. Well, not that bad, but I've been messing with it to get it better, but still. Trying to crank it is terrible. got a few more things I'm going to change on it. I think they're 38 cc for 760. So I'm going to put some 37s in there and see how it does. And I may end up going to some 36s. So we'll see. Handhole's gotten loose again. Alright, well, as y'all can see, the ski is running like crap. Couldn't ever get it figured out. Tore the carbs apart multiple times, put different jets in it, everything, whole new kits, both carbs, to the point where I ended up just yanking the carbs off of my super jet that I knew were running, and I just changed the main jet on it because it's really about the only thing that needed to be changed for it to work with this setup compared to the super jets. So I done that. Ski ran great, so I'm thinking there's something wrong, like a hairline crack or something in one of the carbs that came on the ski, because it was acting up just like this when I got the ski, and I thought just cleaning it and rejetting it and tuning it would fix it. Well, it never figured itself out. So I ended up putting those carbs in it for now. Not sure what the end goal is, if I'm just going to buy a whole new set of carbs to put on it. Probably not going to do that, because the plan is to change the motor out, go with a totally different motor, lay down pipe, all that kind of fun junk. So, yeah, stay tuned. Got another video coming pretty soon. Got graphics, got them already on it. That's the reason I can't really show you right now. So the next video you'll have ski running good and the new graphics. So stick around, and I'll have some more content coming to you. So see you on the next one.